Huh?
Sure at 9.
Yeah, 09. Yeah. I don't think I've gotten a video of this village yet. Pretty much every village I've gone into, I've gotten some type of video.
Really?
Yep. For memory.
Yeah.
So.
Good stuff. Good stuff.
I've got damn near. I've got 3 or 4 villages where I've gone in, taking pictures as we walk down the street. So.
Yeah.
And any writing and shit.
Remember this shithole?
Yeah. Plus I
have a lot of pictures of the doors, all the all the fancy artwork they do on
yeah.
the doors with stenciling.
Yeah.
I like taking pictures of that.
Well, I'm gonna have to get all your pictures.
Yeah. I'll try, cause I got like well, yesterday I took 40 pictures.
Yeah.
So I've got like
I've got
I probably got 500 pictures.
Yeah. I filled up one
Like
card
that.
already. I've got 5 pictures left on it. From here.
Sweet. Yeah, I got quite a few cactus pictures too. There's the man himself.
Fuck you.
Link love. Link love. Goddamn. Assalamu alaikum. I think they were scared shitless.
Remember that being painted last time we were here?
Huh?
You remember that being painted last time we were here? This has both. It's gorgeous.
His name?
I don't know.
Yeah. Name and welcome.
Oh.
Big gay Bob, welcome.
Assalamu alaikum.
This is Barry.
King Mataraka.
He wants a pen.
Hey, Matajabla Raka.
Huh?
King Raka, King.
Kalam?
I have like 3 pens.
Oh shit, here they come. Moving, gents. I hate these narrow hallways, man. I feel like they're gonna drop a grenade down in here one of these times.
What?
I just feel like they're gonna toss a grenade over top of one of these things one time.
Go, man.
It's gonna be the end of all of us.